10 or 12:05? 12:05? Okay, 11:05. Oh, you scared me to die. Okay, so 11:05, great. Can I write by comparing the light terms on left-hand side and right-hand side? At this moment, I want you to spot it out, which term you are talking about. Okay, later on, at a certain time, I will let you delete some words. But at this moment, I want you to show me what term you are talking about. Okay? Yes. So, example 1, pretty easy, huh? So, let me do it fastly here. Okay, you can do it yourself. So left-hand side, since it's an identity, you know that it's equals to x plus 4 squared. So expand it. You can use, if you learn identities in next section, you can do it, or you can do it in this way. X times x, x squared, 4 times x plus 4x plus 4x plus 4 squared equals to 16. So you know that x squared plus 8x plus 16. And you know that right-hand side equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so you're comparing the like terms by comparing the, okay, in order to find a, you need to comparing the x squared term, right? So you know that a equals to 1. By comparing the x term, you know that b equals to 8. And you're comparing the, oh, no x term, don't write no x term. You know that there is a special name for it. We call it the constant term. 中文常數項，常數項。You know that c equals to 16 directly. Okay, easy. As easy as pie, right? Okay, let's jump a little bit then. If you're finished, then we can move on to example 3. Let's see example 3. Okay, let's see example 3. If I'm too fast, tell me. I can go back a little back. Okay, so your time, 1 minute. Try to do it first. So obviously, okay, don't forget the plus 5. So expand it. So x times 2x, 2x squared. 3 times 2x, 6x. Then we move on. X times minus 1 minus x minus 3 plus 5. So right hand side. So you're comparing the like terms. Okay, you're comparing the like terms easily, right? So you're comparing the x squared term. You can write out the equation. By comparing the x squared terms, 2a equals to 2, a equals to 1. By comparing the x terms, okay, so you can see x term, left hand side equals to 5, right hand side equals to 3b. So 3b equals to 5. Is there any question so far? Is it difficult? Sure. B equals to 5 over 3. And then the last one, the constant term. You know that C equals to 2. Finish. Okay, so I'll give you maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Try example 4 and example 6. Try it. Okay, let you do first. 2 minutes. Example 7, it will be a challenging example, so you can try it yourself first. Okay, sure. Example 1, sure. Wait a second. Wait a second. So in order to get the CP, okay, active learning part, doing extra example is count as one of the CP. So if I miss some examples and you finish it yourself, then yeah, you may earn some extra CP marks from here. Thank you. Oh, your hands cannot raise so fast, so you need to practice. Yeah. Practice makes perfect. Okay? Example 4. Example 4. So let's do it together. Okay, here. So all practice, left hand side, right hand side. So expand it, ax times x, ax squared, ax times minus 2ax plus x minus 2 plus b. Select. Is it okay now? Okay? Yeah, because I did not say anything here. I can do nothing here. Okay? Okay, now, good. However, okay, as you can see, we have 5 different terms here. We need to group those things together, right? Okay, so what is the x squared term here? You can see ax squared is the x squared term. However, the x term, you have 2 things with x here. You need to group it. In primary school, you learn one thing. The Chinese name for that is 乘法分配性質. In primary school, you know this. 乘法分配性質. What does it mean? For example, 3 times a plus b equals to 3a plus 3b. Okay? So we are doing it backward now. Okay? For example, x times a plus b, you know that it equals to xa plus xb. This time we have 2 x terms here. We are doing it backward. Okay? 我哋做一個逆向嘅乘法分配性質。xa plus xb equals to, because both of them have x, we can pull it out and then left a plus b inside. 乘法分配性質3可以乘入去。今次我哋調翻轉頭，喂，大家都有3喎，不如抽佢出嚟乘翻做 xa 加 b。Okay? Then we can have this skills here. Okay? Another example. 點樣逆向乘法分配性質啊？All of them have 3, right? So you can take it out. 3 times a plus b, you can split it inside. So this time, if they both have 3, you can take it out. Okay? So this time, in order to group the x term, 逆向乘法分配性質, take the x out. Okay? And then minus 2a plus 1. This would be our x term here. Okay? And then the last one, also the same, plus b minus 2. So you can see we group them into 3 terms now. The x squared term, you group it inside yourself. And then the x term is here, you group it. Only one x term here. And then the number without x, we call it the constant term, you group it yourself here. Okay? You group all the terms. 將5粒嘢變翻做3類型嘅數。Okay, x square, x 同埋 constant, and then right hand side, okay, 3x squared minus 5x, that's 3. So this time you can comparing the x squared term by comparing the x squared term, you know that a equals to 3 directly. However, when you're comparing the x term, you can see minus 2a plus 1 equals to minus 5 now. OK， 你可以直接睇得到啦。對比個 x term， 如果你啱啱上面咁樣嘅話，你唔知邊一個先至要用，我哋就需要喂有兩個 x term 喎，即係早上買3個蘋果，晏晝買4個蘋果，你唔會分開佢嚟睇噶嘛，將佢合拼埋變成3加4個蘋果。OK， 等於7個蘋果。同樣地 ，x term 你見到佢分開咗嘅話，需要將佢 group 埋一齊。點樣 group 啊？逆向嘅乘法分配性質，或者遲啲會教嘅 Factorization。OK， 正式學名叫 Factorization。OK， so x term you know that you can see minus 2a equals to minus 6, a equals to 3. Oh, you find it already. So you're doing some useless thing. And then the last one, by comparing the constant term, you know that b minus 2 equals to 3, b equals to 5. Finish. Okay, so this is a pretty important example. You need to group the terms. Okay, let's take a look at example 6 then. Try to group the terms. Try to group the terms now. Okay, see how you get. It should not be AST, it should be ABC actually. I type it wrongly here. Okay, so I do the left hand side for you and try to group the terms in the right hand side. So the first two terms multiply together, 2x squared minus 2 times 2x minus 4x, x times 3 plus 3x, and then minus 6. So it will be 2x squared minus x minus 6. However, for the right-hand side, you can see I have some x squared term here. I have some x term here. I have some terms without x. You need to group it. You need to group them. So a squared, x squared term is here. Okay, you can use your highlighter to help you. Okay, this one I have x term, this one I have x term. So let's group them together. Okay, how to group them? Okay, 用乘法分配性質，3個蘋果，3a 加 b 就可以等同於3a 加 3b。3乘以括號 a 加 b 就等於3a 加 3b。So when you see the word 3, you can take it out and then give a bracket a plus b. So this time both of them have x. Take the x out. The first bracket you have 2b. The second bracket plus 3. 2b plus 3 times x. You split it inside, definitely you get 2bx plus 3x. OK， 你拆翻開，如果係同你上面一模一樣嘅話，即係代表你答得啱啊。OK，and the last step plus 5c minus 1. So comparing the like terms. By comparing, for example, the x squared terms, you know that x squared terms. X squared terms, so you get a is equal to 2. By comparing the x terms, you know that 2b plus 3, plus 3, not plus c. 2b plus 3. Okay, so let's take a look at the x term. 2b plus 3 will actually equals to this term, the x term. The numbers of x term will be equal, so it should be minus 1. 2b equals to minus 4, b equals to minus 2. And at last, you're comparing the constant term. You know that 5c minus 1 equals to minus 6. Okay, this question, wait a second. C equals to minus 1. Yeah, I have told you, okay, because I want to see, okay, I want you to write down the name of the terms first, okay, at this moment. So, yeah, some of you may write, by comparing the like terms, at this moment, I want you to identify what term you are looking at. Okay, so you need to write out. The reason, okay, the reason why you need to do this, okay, I have given you two bonus questions. Okay, you can try it yourself, and you may know why I asked you to take a look. You need to write down what term you're looking at. Okay. So tonight, okay, if you're finished. Okay. Tonight, you don't need to do all 15 of them. You don't need to do 15 of them. Okay. So 仲有1分鐘講埋今晚嘅功課。OK， 一陣間我會再 show 翻出嚟啦。呢度有我拍片嘅，我今晚會 upload 上 YouTube 噶啦，咁就可以上翻 YouTube review。Wait a second. When we're combining like terms, do we need to show the steps? Okay, the layout I have showed you already. Yes, of course. You need to show left hand side how you expand it, right hand side how you group it. Okay, expand, must do it. Grouping, must do it. Then you need to show me what term you are looking at. You guess it, right? 唔得嘅喎，你唔可以話喂，其實我可唔可以求其估㗎？唔得嘅喎，你話俾我知你要睇咩 terms 㗎？定係你其實係計咗出嚟嘅？你代數字計咗出嚟嘅？有好多種方法㗎嘛。Okay, so tonight, okay, open a homework A, homework one. Okay, so the homework one, your book should be like this, look like this. Date. Okay, then this time further practice. 1.4. Okay, I will choose some questions for you. You do it tonight. 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, and 13. Yes, leave the first page for content. Oh, you can jump to step. You can, okay. King him. Yeah, I saw your questions. Yeah, if you can, first of all, you need to write 2b plus 3 equals to minus 1 because you are comparing these two numbers. If you can jump steps, you can jump. Okay, you can jump a little bit. Okay, so 6th question. Okay, so you write down questions 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, so before you do homework, then you can just copy the questions, copy the questions. Okay, ax cubed minus bx squared. Okay, then you do your work. Question 6 咁樣咯。Okay. Yes, materials answers 有啊，我整咗，我寫咗嘅，咁我就未 scan 啫，我爭再 scan 嗰步。Okay, so I will give you the answers as maybe yeah. The previous exercise 上一次嘅 exercise 我寫咗㗎啦，咁我就一陣間 upload 俾你。呢一版嘅 exercise 就一陣間俾你。Do it on homework book for sure. Homework A, homework A, homework A, homework A. Okay, first page, don't use it. I want to stick a content page with you all. Okay, do it in the blue book. Blue book, 短簿. Not classwork book, because I want you to show your work on your homework. Okay, I'll mark it. The rest of the question, you can do it in your classwork book for your further practice. Okay? 呢6條做喺 homework book， 其他嘅你可以做喺 classwork book。OK？ 其他嘅你可以做喺 classwork book for further practice。咁我會遲啲睇嘅，係啦。咁我哋講過啦 ，CP 有一個部分就係講 further practice 噶嘛。OK？ 就係咁啦。睇下仲有冇嘢問？ Okay, if no, then see you guys tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. So tonight only this homework. Tomorrow we will maybe have some consolidation work on this part. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.